Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to show navigation button on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, for users who are unfamiliar with gesture-based navigation or have difficulty performing gestures, showing navigation buttons provides a familiar and accessible method of navigation. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, enter the settings menu on your device. Well, after that, select display option. And here, simply scroll the page and select navigation bar menu. Well, so now activate the first option. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to show the navigation button on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.